Start picking these purple cayenne peppers again. Round two. Already dried the first round. Just dried them in the oven. Really low heat for a long time. It's not the ideal way to do it, but it works. So let's get to picking. Let me show you what these things look like. The first video I did, I screwed up on so you couldn't even see the peppers. This is them here. They almost look fake because they're purple. And they're kind of drooping today. It's hot out, been hot out and hadn't rained, and they really need some water. But that's what they are. And they're all full of them again from what I picked them last week. I just pick these and dry them to save, use them in sauces and whatever else I need pepper flakes for. So let's see how much of this bucket we can fill up. All right, I think we got this picked pretty much clean. We're going to leave as much of the buds on here as possible. And still got plenty of blooms on here. Bees are certainly busy out here on them. Smaller ones, I'll just leave them for next time. For next week, probably, from the looks of things. Okay. So good plant. The stems actually look a little purple on these. And you'll get some that turn red and some that actually start to turn green again. So they'll start off as little teeny purple like that. And as they mature, they might get a green stripe in them on some of them. And then eventually they'll turn red. So that's a little teeny one there. I got them because a buddy of mine had them. Sells plants. And he had ordered red, what he thought was red cayenne pepper seeds, and they gave him the wrong thing, mispackaged or whatever. So he grew them anyway. And he gave me a flat of them. Not even a flat, he gave me a tray, like 6, I think. And they turned out to be pretty good. You know, novelty item. They taste the same as a red cayenne. They're pretty prolific. About the same flavor as a red one or a green one or anything else. But I like them just because they look neat, and I've had good luck with them. Come out here in the morning, bees are all over this thing, tearing them up. And it is pretty with the little purple flowers on there. I don't know if you can see it. They'll have little purple flowers instead of white ones. They'll grow a lot. Now I'll dry these. I'll wash them and then stick them in the oven tonight in a tray and let them dry out for hours, basically, until they're dry. All right, that's it. Guys, take care. Thank you. Peppers we collected today. So a little bit less than last week. Still a lot of peppers. You notice there's some green looking ones in here with some stripes on them. Probably left them on there a little too long because they start off, they'll be all purple, like totally purple. And some of them will start to turn green, and eventually they'll turn red. But they're pretty much all purple. So I've washed these, and I'll probably dry them now, throw them in the oven for a couple hours, like 225 degrees, probably like 3 or 4 hours, just a slow dry. And we'll pick and wait and then pick again. They'll be like that until probably first frost. So we'll have enough peppers to last for a couple of years. I think last time I didn't grow them last year. Year before that, I grew them and they lasted 2 years about. So these will last about 2 years. I'll make hot sauce out of these and chili oil, and just use them for once they're dried. You just crumple them up and use the flakes, put them in chili or whatever, and make pepper jelly out of them. If I make pepper jelly this year, I'll do a video on that or whatever else. Chili, I'll do another video on chili oil. But that's our peppers. Pick and pick again. So we'll have a lot. That's one of these big. I don't even know how big this thing is. It's a good size. That's probably 2 feet, 2 feet long, and probably 18. I don't even know what size this thing is. I'm not measuring it. It's like 18 by 24 size. Anyway, that's it for the peppers. Thank you.